want to hear the shocking news. This 5 hours has saved me between 500 and 800 rand. Okay, I'm going to put the complete breakdown in the comments down below. But out of this 10 kilogram Boerpamoen, I got 4 meals, 4 complete meals for a family of 7. I've got snacks for 2 days for my kids. I've got the fruit rolls still dehydrating in the oven, which is another snacks. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fully processed bags of vegetables that I can use as I see fit. So in between all of this, I have saved between 500 and 800 rand depending on where you shop. Spar, ShopRite, Checkers. I'm going to give that breakdown down below. It is absolutely insane what it means when you start processing your own food in bulk at home. Yes, it takes time. Yes, it takes energy. But you know what? It's one day. It's one day and I've got a whole month's work done.